Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nurulaqilah with my friends Azzyati, Fariena and Shazarini will present video tutorial how to use or search Wiley Online Library database subscribed by PITA. Wiley Online Library database have a basic search and advanced search. The purpose of this database to be subscribed by UITM to facilitate student research. This can indirectly assist students in making assignment. Therefore, students can get any article journal as their reference. Now, our group we will share with you all how to use or search Wiley Online Library database subscribed by PITA. Firstly, you type the PITA Rembau on the Google search bar. Then click enter. Then you click the PITA Campus Rembau. And you can see this is the interface of the PITA UITM Cawangan Negeri Sembilan. And then you can click the easy access and fill your username, password. Username you can use your student ID. For your password, you can use your IC and click this button, I accept the term and condition, then click the search box of login. After user login through the easy access, e-resources Perpustakaan Tun Abdul Razak will appear. Now, user can click the online databases. After you click here, you can see the type of online database. But now, I will show you how to use and search Wiley Online Library database. Now, click the button W. You can see Wiley Online Library database. Before go through to the Wiley Online Library database, let me show you. This icon show the perpetual access. Means that not all the article can be open access. Some article user can access abstract only. Now we click the Wiley Online Library. You can see the interface of the Wiley Online Library database subscribed by UITM. User can search publication, article, keywords, and add from this search box. User also can use advanced search. If user want to find any article about COVID-19, they can click here. After you click here, the list, all the list of the article about COVID-19 will be appear. User can access any article that they want because all the article about COVID-19 open access. Wiley Online Library database also have 1,600 journals. Now you click here. Alright, user can see all the list the journal subscribed by Wiley Online Library. User also can filter all the journals but with alphanumeric from A to Z by subject. After that, Wiley Online Library database have 225 reference works. Alright, all the publication about user 1 will appear. User also can filter by alphanumeric from A to Z, by subject, and by publication date. Date publication. Moreover, Wiley Online Library have 22,000 online books. You can browse the book from here. The step same as journal and reference words. After that, Wiley Online Library have 17 subject cover. These are the list of the subject cover by Wiley Online Library. However, user also can browse all the title from here. That's all from me. Next tutorial basic search Wiley Online Library database will be continued by Azzyati Fariena. She will explain basic search with more details.
Thank you, Miss Aqilah. Hi, my name is Azzyati Fariena and I will be the next presenter on presenting how to use a basic search on Wiley Online Library. As you can see on the screen, this is a search box where you can search your topic by typing the topic that you need to search. For example, I would like to search about an article that are related to a digital library. After you done typing that, you can click here or you may press enter, and then all the article will be appear in front of you. As you can see, when you read the title, you can see that the digital library had been highlighted. This is because it will be much more easier for you to know that this article are related to the topic that you had been typed. And when you search for your article, you will need to be sure that you see the next to your article, you had seen this symbol. A symbol where you can see it was as a free access, because when you see this, it's mean you can download the article to use it for your assignment. For example, when I click here and I click at PDF, so that's mean if it open, so that's mean you can read the article, and or you can just download the article here. If the article are not accessible, you will see that the next to the research article there had been nothing. It is a blank space. So that means this article are not accessible. And how do you want to know that? You just click here and click PDF. Then you can see that you need to pay to have an access. Other than that, you may have known that when you search your article, here is the number of the article that had been published. So you will know how many articles that you can read. But if it's so hard, you can use a filter on your left side on the screen, and you can see that they have a publication type. These publication types will help you to cut down the article that you have to read. For example, if you choose a journal, you can just click here and everything about a journal will appear. And the number had reduced. And if you click the book, you can see here the number of the book that had been published. You can also see here that they had a publication date. If you say that the article had so many, you can just pick here. Like last week, they only have 121 articles, or last month, 548 articles. But if you want to know a lot more of the article, you can just click here in this section, and you can pick what year you want to read. For example, let's pick 2015 to 2020. After you satisfied with the year, you can just click go, and all your article will start from 2015, so you don't have to worry about that if that article are outdated or irrelevant. Other than that, if you want to specify your research, you can click on the subject. On the subject, you can see there are a lot of type of subject that you can choose, and you have the number of articles that had been published. For example, I would like to know about a digital library that related to agriculture. So here is all about an article that are related to digital library and about agriculture. Other than that, you can have a refined search. A refined search is much more easier to use and faster to search your article. For example, you need to search about a title. You can click the title and you can customize everything here, and you just search. So this is the article that are provided for you, and then you have a search history. A search history is a place where you can look much more easier about the article that related to a digital library, and this is a safe search. So that's all for me. Next, I will like to pass it to my next colleague, Shazarini. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Thank you for my group members Azzyati Fariena for the explanation about basic search in the Wiley Online Library. Now, my turn is explanation about the advanced search. You can click the advanced search at lower of box basic search. After you click the advanced search, and now this is appear the advanced search and citation search. First of all, in advanced search, you can choose the title, author, keywords, abstract, author affiliation, and funding agency in the advanced search. And in the advanced search also, you can search the another types of the what you want to know. For example, I click the library, and the second I click for the science, and third I click for the management. And you can see the publish in enter a journal, book, or reference work title. For your information, in this advanced search, you can also search the type or the title, the journal, title a book, or title the reference work, and you can easily get what you want. And also, you like the basic search, you can search in the date or custom your range from year to another year. Now we can look this, and we can search about library, science, and management. After you search, you can see the articles and chapter, publication and collection. Now you can look like a basic search like the Azzyati Fariena explained. What you search, this Wiley Online Library give the highlight, and you can know about what you want and what you want to know. And you must know the all in this database must be free access for our university, that is UITM. And this is a filter for the advanced search, and a journal, book, or reference work. For your information, Wiley Online Library also focus the three types of the publication, like a journal, books, and reference work. Publication date also you can search last year, 6 months or 3 months ago. And also you can search from the year like 1955, 1957, and also the access status, you can choose the open access content only. That is easy for you to get the open access or free access. And this subject is like the in the interface also. The publish in this is what the publisher that combine with Wiley Online Library, like a Wiley Online Books, Journal of the Association for Information Service and Technology. Author also you can search, but if you know the authors, this is easy for you to search. And for this citation search, you must know the journal what you want. That is, for the example, I put the British Journal of Management, and this is a warning. This is please enter a journal title, volume and page number, or volume and citation number as a minimum requirement to run this search. So you must know the volume, and also you must know the page that you want to know. For example, I put this volume 1 in page 20. In the Journal of the British Journal of Management, for the first volume and the page 20, this is the title for the journal. moral behavior in organization, the contribution of management, education and development. And you can share the this article to Twitter, Facebook or email, and you can take this such as the citation for you to use this citation for your research paper. This is an example of the citation that you can copy and paste if you refer this journal for your research paper. I think that's all from our group for the Wiley Online Library, and you must not forget to log out your easy access UITM library to make sure your privacy is also private. That's all from our group. Thank you.